dyan.
Too much garbage in your face? There's plenty of space out in space. B&L Starliner, leaving each day.
TV, meron silang
We'll clean up
TV,
the
no?
mess while you're away.
More is. Meron siyang TV.
The jewel
Nanonood
of
siya.
B&L fleet, the
Nanonood
Axiom.
nanonood siyang TV, no?
Cruise in style. Waited on 24 hours a day by our fully automated crew. While your captain and autopilot chart a course for non-stop entertainment
Go.
and fine dining. And with our all-access hover
Oh, yan
chairs,
na.
even grandma can join the fun. There's no need to
Ball.
walk. The Axiom, putting the star in Executive Starliner. Because at B&L, space is the final frontier.
Yan. Yan. Oh. Ang sinyan. Wall-E. Gagawa niya. Oo, bowling. Okay. Wow, dami naman subo. Nanonood pang wall-E. Oo, open niya. Oo. Dilim, no? Dilim, walang light. Oh, yun. Oh, nanonood siyang TV. Oo nga, nanonood siya sa TV. Si Wall-E. Nanonood siyang TV, no? Social ka? Papa siya? Ano kinain niya? Ay! Gawa siya nun? Uy, iyak ang baby. Wall-E. Nanonood siyang TV. Nanonood siyang TV na. Nanonood siya. Yun, si Wall-E.
Juice naman, bebe. Inom ka ng juice mo, ha? Okay?
Apo.
Yeah.
Ay, big. Hands.
Oh.
Hands. Ay, oo nga, ipis.
Oh, eat muna, eat.
Tapos inom ka ng juice, ha? Pokpok. Ipis, pinukpok niya. Ni Wall-E. Pinukpok ni Wall-E, ipis.
Oh, drink ka muna, drink
Ay,
ng
hindi daw
juice.
si juice.
Drink ka muna ng juice mo.
Very good.
Okay, very good. Yan, marami, ha? Marami, ha?
Hi, say
Hi daw.
Hi, Mama Chat.
Let's
Eat
eat.
daw yan, let's eat daw. Ano raw eat mo?
Ate Chat, inaalok sa inyo eh. Crunch daw.
What? Yummy daw.
Yes.
Download din daw siyang Wall-E.
Sosyalin.
Oo, social eh. Nakakutsara, tinidor pa eh.
Yan.
Yan. O, subo. O, yun na.
Oh, bait talaga ng
Bait.
baby. Share.
Tutunog pa.
Yummy ba yan? Yummy?
Oo.
Yummy?
Tutunog pa. Bakit? Bakit